Welcome to Kiddy Can Draw. Today we are going to learn how to draw a submarine. Draw an egg shape for the body of the submarine. Then add circles in it for the windows. Draw half a rectangle on the top of the submarine. Then make a tube coming out of it, going upwards to make the periscope. A periscope enables the passengers in the submarine to see the surroundings. Draw two circles inside each other to make the lens of the periscope. Draw the propeller fan on the right side of the submarine. The propeller helps the submarine to move forward. Draw two fins, one above the propeller and the other one under it. Decorate the submarine with some lines on the body, the periscope tube, and the base. Make some dots as the screws. Congratulations! Now you can draw a submarine. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line